Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm going to share with you guys my first experience using Fenugreek Powder. I'm going to share with you guys my creation of a mask, my application of the mask, my results with the mask, and the benefits of Fenugreek Powder. Fenugreek is an Ayurvedic hair care and skincare brand that has really affordable and organic hair care and skincare products. So I will link below all products used in today's video, but also a direct link to Fenugreek's website along with my discount code. So to see my results, keep watching. Alright, so I'm starting out on an old twist out. This was slicked back in a bun, which is why I have this really hard gel cast at the front of my hair. But you will see at the back that my hair is just super fluffy and kind of dried out. It's definitely time for wash day. So what I'm going to do is just drench my hair in some warm water and then split my hair into two sections in the front and then the back section so that it'll be a bit easier for the washing process. So for today's hair wash, I'm going to use the Fenugreek Zizyphus hair wash, and I love this hair wash along with every other Fenugreek hair wash and shampoo bar that I've tried because all of them are very cleansing, they're moisturizing, and they allow you to detangle your hair because they have a lot of slip with them. So what you'll see me doing is rubbing my scalp with the pads of my fingers and my scalp massager and dragging the product down my hair while also detangling my hair lightly. And now it is time to apply our fenugreek mask. So of course you're going to need your organic fenugreek powder, and I chose to add a bit of organic Amla Oil and a bit of aloe vera juice, and then lastly a bit of warm water. So first you're going to add your dry contents, and for today that is our fenugreek powder. How much you use will depend on the length, density, and thickness of your hair. Next I'm going to add a bit of my aloe vera juice, and then I'm going to add a bit of that warm to hot water and a little bit of that organic Amla oil. So what I like to do is always add the dry contents first and then the liquids, and I mix slowly, and as I mix I add more hot water to adjust and play with the consistency. Now, the consistency of this mask was unlike any other Ayurvedic herb that I've ever tried. This mask created a bit of what felt like a pancake or a cake batter consistency. It was very thick, it was not as runny, a bit chunky. It just reminded me of like a waffle mix or pancake or cake batter. I chose to add a little bit more water and mix it up one last time, and then that was it for this mask. I liked the final consistency. I was content with the final result. I realized that it was going to be pretty thick regardless of how much water I added, but I really liked the final consistency of this mask. So I applied the mask all throughout my hair from roots to tips, and when doing so, you can see how in my hair it has these types of chunks, but it also has this thin, fluid, film, slimy consistency also. Now, both that slimy consistency and those chunks kinda were super moisturizing. I didn't really know what to expect from this mask, but I will say that it worked very well on my hair. I don't even know if I mixed it correctly because I mixed it like I do every other Ayurvedic herb, but it worked really, really well on my hair. As you can see, the consistency is not like any other Ayurvedic herb that I've done, but it did work very well on my hair. So what you'll see me do is apply this mask from roots to tips on all 4 sections of my hair. So that slimy feel is mucilage content, and that really, really helps detangle the hair because it has a nice slip and consistency to it. So you will see me kind of detangle my hair while applying this mask, and I'm also going to really rub and squeeze this mask into my hair. One, because that squeezing helps to break down the chunks, and the warmth of my hands while rubbing it through my hair really helps the mask to penetrate my hair shaft. So let's discuss some of the benefits of fenugreek powder. Fenugreek powder is known to be full of anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants that help to reduce dandruff, itchy scalp, and dry, irritated scalp. Also, it helps to detangle and deep condition dry hair, especially after shampooing, and it's known to add moisture and shine back into dry, dull hair. After applying, I let the mask sit in my hair for about 2.5 hours, and my hair was so soft, moisturized, and defined after I rinsed it out. My hair literally felt like butter. Like, it felt really, really good. It was detangled and it was super defined and ready for the styling process of my wash day. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and watch more videos of mine for more Ayurvedic hair care content.